Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi A4 gearbox. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off. Then, turn the ignition on but do not start the engine. Next, press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor. Hold it there for at least 15 seconds to initiate the reset process. After that, slowly release the pedal. Once you have slowly released the accelerator pedal, turn the ignition off immediately. It is crucial to leave the ignition off for a minimum of 2 minutes. During this time, do not remove the key from the ignition. This allows the gearbox control unit to fully process the reset command. After 2 minutes, you can start your engine. Resetting your Audi A4 gearbox can offer several benefits. It helps the transmission adapt to your current driving style, leading to smoother and more responsive gear changes. This process essentially clears the learned shift points, allowing the gearbox to relearn optimal performance based on how you drive now. It can also address minor inconsistencies in shifting. You might consider resetting your gearbox in a few situations. It's often recommended after disconnecting or replacing your car's battery. If you notice your shifts feel rough, hesitant, or inconsistent, a reset can sometimes help. Also, if your driving habits have changed significantly, resetting the gearbox allows it to adapt to your new style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.